Welcome to Discover the World. Today, we're exploring Auckland, New Zealand's largest city, known for its breathtaking landscapes and vibrant urban life. If you're a nature lover or an adventure seeker, Auckland is the place to be. Start your adventure at the Sky Tower, the tallest building in New Zealand. From the observation deck, you'll get a stunning 360-degree view of the city and harbor. For the thrill seekers, you can even try the sky jump, a bungee-style jump from the tower. If you love the outdoors, Coromandel Peninsula is a must-visit. With its beautiful beaches, lush forests, and crystal-clear waters, it's perfect for hiking, swimming, or simply